Installation guide for the 6-foot Baker IBMSS Buildman model. The Buildman Baker type scaffold features robust 6-inch dual locking casters, a 1,500-pound load capacity, tightening knobs for greater stability, an access hatch for safe usage, and an anti-slip platform that increases security. METALTECH BUILDMAN Baker meets ANSI, OSHA, and CSA standards. Insert the 4 casters into the lower ends of the side frames. Secure the casters using the locking pins. Lock the casters by firmly pressing the locking mechanism on top of each caster. Install the braces on the side frames and securely engage the locking stems. Install the platform on the braces. Turn the platform security latches towards the inside of the scaffolding. Secure the braces using the locking pins. Use the tightening knobs to stabilize the Baker. Make sure to lock all the casters before climbing on the scaffolding. For safety reasons, please read the instruction manual before setting up and using this product.